Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. Today we will do an experiment. This experiment shows how firefighters douse the fire. You will need bowl, candle or diya, baking soda, vinegar and matchbox. And all these items are easily available at home. And do this experiment in the supervision of an adult. First, you will need the bowl and put the diya or candle in it and put some baking soda around it. Now light the diya. Now pour the vinegar on the baking soda. You can see the froth coming. This is because the carbon dioxide. It is not burning because there is carbon dioxide. And as you all know, the fire needs oxygen. This solution can be used for removing hard stains and cleaning greasy chimneys. So next time, help your mom to clean. Thank you, like, subscribe and share.